In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find store hours Walmart. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to walmart.com. This works on both a computer and a phone, and the layout is very similar. Once the home page loads, look toward the left side of the screen. You should see a small panel that shows a nearby Walmart location, including the store's address. If you've used the site before, it may show a previously selected or preferred store there. Click directly on that store address. This opens the store selector, which is where you can confirm or change the location you want to check. In the selector, choose Use My Current Location. If your browser asks for permission to use your location, go ahead and allow it so Walmart can find the stores closest to you. If you prefer not to share your location, you can still proceed by keeping the suggested store or selecting one from the list that appears. After your location is set, you'll see a list or map of nearby branches. Browse through and pick the exact store you want to check. Once you've selected a store, look for the option labeled Store Details and click it. This opens the dedicated page for that specific location. On the store's page, go to the store info section. This is the area that summarizes key information about the location, and it's where the hours are displayed clearly for each day of the week. Here you can see when the store opens and when it closes today, as well as the schedule for the rest of the week. If you're planning ahead, it's a great idea to glance at a few upcoming days in case hours vary. A couple of quick tips while you're here. Store hours can change around holidays or special events, and some departments like the pharmacy, vision center, or auto care may keep different hours from the main store. If you need a specific service, look for department links on the same page to confirm those times. If the hours look unusual, refresh the page or recheck later in the day, as updates sometimes roll out periodically. You can also bookmark the store's page so you can return to it quickly the next time you need to check. That's all there is to it. Go to walmart.com, click the store address on the left, use your current location, choose the branch you're interested in, open store details, and then check store info to see today's opening and closing times. Follow these steps and you'll always know the best time to shop.